In this example, we're going to use base blocks to represent numbers. And right here, there's a little chart of different types of base 10 blocks we use for our base 10 number system. I'm going to read them from right to left. So a unit is 1, and notice we have this one little cube. A rod is equal to 10, and notice you would get a rod by connecting 10 units together, would make one rod. And a flat is 100, and you would get a flat by taking 10 rods, and you can think of lining them up this way. Okay. So we're asked to use base 10 blocks to represent the following numbers. We're given two numbers, 304, 152. We're asked to draw a picture, and then write down the number of base 10 blocks in terms of flats, rods, and units. So let's go to a website so we can visualize this. So the first number is 304. Okay. So notice here we have units, rods, and flats. So I'm going to click that button 3 times, and that gives me 300s, which notice right here is written as 300. We don't have any rods because there's a 0 in the tens place, and that corresponds to the rods. And then I'm going to add 4 units to represent the 4. So 304, represented with base 10 blocks, is 3 flats, 0 rods, and 4 units. Now to draw this as a picture, we don't want to try to draw that. So we're going to use these ideas. A flat, we're going to draw a little square. A rod, we're going to draw a line. You might want to draw it the other way. And for a unit, we're going to draw an X. So I'm going to draw 3 squares and 4 X's for the 4 units. So that's 3 flats, 0 rods, and 4 units. So summing these together, all together, this is equivalent to 304. Let's look at 152. So for 152, I need 1 flat is 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rods gives me 5 tens, or 150. And 2 units will give me the 2 in the ones place. So we have 1 flat, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rods, and 2 units combined together make 152. 1 flat, 5 rods, 2 units.